Today, I'm going to show you how to create categories in QuickBooks Online. In this tutorial, categories mean the accounts in your chart of accounts. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. Go to the top right corner and click the gear icon. Then select Chart of Accounts. This opens the full list of accounts your business uses to organize transactions. To create a new category, click New Account. Now enter a clear account name. For example, you could create categories like office supplies, software subscriptions, or consulting income. Next, choose the account type. This controls where the account appears in your reports, such as the profit and loss or balance sheet. Then choose the detail type. The detail type gives QuickBooks more information about what the account is used for. If needed, add a short description explaining how the account should be used. Before saving, review the account name, account type, detail type, and description. Once everything looks correct, click Save. The new category will now appear in your chart of accounts. You can use it when categorizing expenses, recording income, or reviewing downloaded bank transactions. And that's how to create categories in QuickBooks Online in 2026.